Hi guys, welcome to It's Jules Diary. And today, let's cook chili garlic drunk shrimp with me. First of all, we need shrimp, swai or kahit anong size kayo na bahala. Then, 1 bottle of Smirnoff or 2 para sa drinks, any brand of oyster and chili oil, and of course, don't forget the butter and garlic. Kapag mainit na yung kawali, pwede nang ilagay yung shrimp. Then, lagyan na rin ng Smirnoff. Pampawala ng lansa and syempre, add flavors na rin para sa hipon natin. So, ayan, mix lang hanggang sa kumulo and maging orange lahat. So, ayan, set aside na muna natin siya. Then, mag-gisa tayo ng garlic and butter. This is optional, pero kung sino nang maanghang, maglagay kayo ng maraming chili oil and flakes. After natin ma-mix, pwede nang ilagay yung hipon ulit. Mix, then, lagyan na tayo ng oyster sauce. Then, salt and pepper to taste. And then, if you want to make your sauce creamy, lagay lang kayo ng pinagsimuran nyo ng shrimp and add 1 teaspoon cornstarch. Mapasol naman or with friends, for sure magugustuhan ito. Masarap talaga with Smirnoff. Try it na! Save this for your next dinner party. Double tap if you're hungry too!